Hi, my name is Neeraj. I'm the founder of Madhawk Games. Today, I want to talk briefly about reinforcement learning, which we are using in our esports project. Reinforcement learning learns by interacting with its environment. There are some key terms that are important in reinforcement learning, like reward. Reward is an immediate return given to an agent when agent performs specific action or assignment. Next one is environment. Environment is just physical world where the agent is interacting. Then policy. Policy is method to map the agent state to actions. The last one is value. Value means rewards which we receive after the agent takes some action. Here are some important attributes of reinforcement learning. The first one is you work with reward signal. It's either positive or negative. Second one is time. Time plays a crucial role and you need to wait for the feedback. In robotics, reinforcement learning is used to enable the robot to create an efficient system for itself, which learns from its own experience and behavior. Reinforcement learning can be used in different things like gaming, manufacturing, delivery management, healthcare, and online stock trading. Now let's discuss how we are using reinforcement learning in esports. In our esports project, we are training NPC in every session. The non-player character or NPC receives rewards by performing correctly and penalties for performing incorrectly. We can use this technique in so many other ways, like if we have an AI car in the game which needs to go to destination without crashing into trees. We will use reinforcement learning to train the car, and you don't need to program full route, you just need to give positive feedback and negative feedback when it crashes into trees. It will be an automatic process, and even if you replace with different maps, it will learn. And so this will be really efficient. You don't need to program it again and again. In the last, when not to use reinforcement learning, when you have enough data to solve the problem. You need to remember that reinforcement learning needs heavy resources. So you need to analyze where you can use reinforcement learning.